So today we're gonna be doing a party jollof rice from Ghana, very authentic.
Catch my banana size.
My banana size.
Catch the back of oil.
You start the jollof rice by placing a pot on heat. Add oil into the pot, then add your sliced onions. Saute the onions till they are fragrant and translucent. Laying the bell peppers, the garlic, ginger and the onions, and add it to the fried onions. Put your blended ingredients into the stew and stir it consistently. Crush or smash your codfish into pieces. And blend your fresh tomatoes to add to the stew. The texture of the jollof rice is just as important as the taste. A variety of spices can be used in the stew to make the jollof rice. At this point, we'll try to put all the major spices at a time. Fried tortoise that can no longer roast. It will reduce in quantity, become thick and the oil flows to the top. African dishes really takes long time to cook, and so when you're cooking African dishes, you try to pave way so that you can have enough time to be doing things alongside. She marinates the chicken with different spices and seasonings. This is to tenderize it, to add moisture so that the chicken will absorb flavors. We have our roasted ready after putting it in an oven for about 30 minutes. Give your rice a nice wash. Now put your washed rice inside the stew. Stir to mix the rice with the stew. Cover the pot tightly and let the rice cook on a low heat till it's almost tender. Once you're set with your rice, you can now have time to prepare either your salad or spaghetti. With today's jollof rice, we're eating it with spaghetti. Making the spaghetti sometimes look very simple. You just boil your spaghetti for about 12 minutes. Strain the water and mix it with black pepper, beans and mayonnaise. Some people may even choose to add other vegetables such as carrot and green pepper. The jollof should be infused with steam but not boiled. Cover it with aluminum foil to cover the pot before placing the pot lid over the foil paper. The very last section of the jollof rice is our vegetables. It is just our bell peppers and onions. We had it fried for just about 5 minutes and that's it, we are done. We don't want to lose our nutrients, so just 5 minutes is okay for us.